The kids and their friend King Kong in the forest. Introduction. In the quiet village of Greenvale, 4 adventurous kids, Leela, Max, Zoe, and Ryan, spent their days exploring the nearby forest. The forest was a magical place, teeming with sparkling streams, towering trees, and playful animals. But the real wonder of the forest was its guardian, King Kong, a kind and gentle giant. The kids had stumbled upon King Kong during one of their explorations, and though they were scared at first, they quickly realized that King Kong was more playful than terrifying. From then on, the kids and King Kong became the best of friends, meeting regularly at a hidden treehouse deep in the woods. A special invitation. One day, the kids received an exciting invitation. King Kong had left them a giant banana leaf with a message written in crushed berries. Message: come to the forest tomorrow. I have a surprise for you. Leela: I wonder what the surprise is. Max: maybe it's a new swing from a vine. Zoe: or a treasure he found near the waterfall. Ryan: what if it's a giant banana feast? The kids packed their bags with snacks, flashlights, and their favorite board game to share with King Kong and set off early the next morning. The mischievous monkeys. As the kids entered the forest, they were greeted by King Kong's tiny companions. A group of mischievous monkeys who loved playing tricks. Zoe: hey, where's my sandwich? The monkeys giggled, swinging from the trees with her sandwich in hand. Ryan: give it back, you little thieves. The monkeys led the kids on a merry chase through the forest until King Kong arrived with a loud, friendly roar. King Kong, grinning: "Whoa! Enough, little ones. Let my friends eat in peace." The monkeys returned the sandwich and scampered off, leaving the kids to laugh at the chaos. Kong the surprise. King Kong led the kids to a clearing near a sparkling waterfall. There, he revealed a giant swing made from sturdy vines, complete with a platform big enough for all 4 kids. Leela: wow, Kong, this is amazing. King Kong, proudly: whoa. Friends deserve the best. The kids spent hours swinging, splashing in the water, and playing games with King Kong. Trouble in the forest. As the sun began to set, the peaceful forest suddenly became tense. The animals scattered, and a group of strangers appeared, carrying nets and cages. They were poachers who had heard rumors of a giant ape in the forest. Poacher leader: if we catch King Kong, we'll be rich. The kids gasped as they realized the danger. Leela, whispering: we have to warn Kong, Max, and stop them before they hurt the forest. The kids quickly came up with a plan. Using the monkeys' mischievous nature, they lured the poachers into the deeper parts of the forest, where they got tangled in vines and stuck in muddy pits. Meanwhile, King Kong roared loudly, shaking the ground and scaring the poachers away for good. Poacher leader, running: forget the ape. This forest is cursed. A celebration with the forest safe again. The kids and King Kong celebrated by decorating the treehouse with glowing fireflies and having a feast of bananas and snacks. King Kong: whoa, my friends are heroes. Ryan: and you're the best guardian ever, Kong. The monkeys joined in, dancing and chattering happily. Epilogue. As the kids walked home under the starry sky, they felt proud of their adventure. They knew that as long as they stood together, they could protect their magical forest and their giant, lovable friend, King Kong. This story blends humor, action, and friendship.